So we're cooking the prepped potatoes, which will go in sagaloo, Bombay potato. If you even want it in your curry, anything, we have the prepped potatoes already done. So we've roughly peeled about 8 potatoes, all different sizes. So when you do cut them, you do have to make sure that they're the same size. Otherwise, the method how we cook it, some will be not cooked and some won't if they're different sizes. Again, the smaller you do it, the quicker that they will cook. You know, you don't want it too small that you can't really get the feeling of a potato. So as you can see, they're roughly the same size. Then we're ready to start cooking. Give a couple of spoons of, 2-3 spoons of oil. Then you have 1 garlic ginger, which you can see how I make it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. If you want me doing any other things, just give us a shout and let me know. So put about 1 spoon of garlic ginger once the oil heats up. You can always test it if it's hot. Touch it like that and you can see like it's not really moving. So it's not really hot enough. But it's getting a bit hotter. So now you can tell it's starting to get hot. So you just give 1 spoon. Then you give 1 teaspoon of haldi. Always turn it down when you get the spice in because it will burn the spice. And just a tiny bit of garam masala, so about 1/4 of a spoon garam masala. See the spices are starting to stick, so it's very important. Once the garlic and ginger mixes in with the oil, it's very important to just get that spice. Then you can put your potatoes in. Then about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And make sure you get the spices to get into the potatoes and let it marinate. You can add a touch of water if it is getting dry. As you can see, I've marinated all the spice into the potato. I'm going to add a slight bit of water. In the restaurant we don't actually add any water, but I think with small portions it will start getting a little bit thin. The main thing with water is so it doesn't burn the spice or stick to the pan. So yeah, you put it on sort of medium gas, put the lid on, come back after a few minutes, keep stirring, make sure the spice hasn't burnt or it's not cooking too much somewhere. Keep it moving, that's the most important thing every so often. So after like sort of 5-10 minutes, touch a potato. When it gets slightly soft, what you want to do is put the gas completely low, not move it about too much. You're going to break the potato. And then it's important you put the lid on so the steam will cook the potato and make it soft. So you just put that on, very low gas. Come back after sort of 5-10 minutes and keep touching the sides, in the middle, make sure every potato is cooked and not too hard. So it's been about sort of 10 minutes. Remember it's on very low gas and you can sort of feel the potatoes and they're all kind of done now. So you take it off, give it a bit of a shake because the bottom might be slightly stuck. But have you seen we used a very minimal water, at the start. But you know, normally people boil potatoes with water. We don't use that method because I think the spices, if you put water and the spices in afterwards, you're just not going to feel the flavour. So that's pretty much done now. You've got to be very careful. Some of the bottom has got slightly stuck. And then when you do put Bombay potato, we'll be adding more spices and anything else. So I'll be doing more videos with potatoes. So in a restaurant, we'll get it prepped like this. It's flavoured already, ready, and then we just add and take things away as we need to. This will go in sagaloo, Bombay potato, anything with potato in a curry house. That's prepped like similar to this. Each restaurant has their own style, but they get it ready like this. So it's cooked, it's ready, and then you just add it in whatever.